Okay, sagutin natin to. There in the first quadrant bounded by the curve y is equal to 2x raised to 1 half y-axis. Tapos, and the line y minus 6 is equal to 0 is revolved about the line. AOR niya is y is equal to 6. Find the centroid of the solid form. Okay, graph muna natin, pero simplify muna natin mga equations natin. Ito, quantity squared lang, magiging y squared is equal to 4x cancel. Okay, so magiging vertex niya is 0, 0, rightward. Graph na natin. Y is equal to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ito yung ating isang line, tapos ito na rin yung axis of revolution natin. So bali, ang isang kapag ganyan, ang parabola niya, kasi dapat may mag-intersect. So bali, ito, pwede natin siya gamitin ng dx3. Okay, according sa theorem, kung ano yung axis of revolution, yun na rin yung magiging centroid niya. So y is equal to 6, therefore y bar is equal to 6. So hanapin na lang natin yung x bar. Para mahanap yung x bar, ang formula niyan is v x bar is equal to, from a to b, x dv. Yung dv natin is pi, tapos depende kung this method ito gagamitin, yh minus yl squared, okay, or pi xr minus xl squared dx to, tas ito dy. Yung v, ganun din, ganito lang, pi yh minus yl squared dx or pi xr minus xl squared dy kapag gagamitan siya ng disk. Okay, ano muna natin, simplify muna natin from a to b, x dv all over v. So x bar is equal to, pero bago yan, hanapin muna natin yung limit niya, yung range, yung a at b. Yung a natin automatic y low, okay, dito sabihin from origin siya, so 0, 0, 6. Hanapin natin ano to, so therefore yung y squared is equal to 4x, substitute natin sa y is equal to 6, so 6 squared is equal to 4x, 36 is equal to 4x, x is equal to 9, so therefore ito ay 9, 6. Okay, from 0 to 9. Okay, ab x dv all over v. Simplify na natin, substitute natin, x bar is equal to, from 0 to 9, x multiplied by pi, ano natin, pi, tapos dv natin is, gumamit tayo ng this method kasi dumikit siya dun sa axis of revolution, nakikita nyo naman. So therefore, y high natin is yung 6, minus, yung y squared is equal to 4x, gagawin natin in terms of x. So therefore, y is equal to square root ng 4x, square root ng 4x squared dx all over, ganun din, from 0 to 9, pi, 6 minus square root ng 4x, quantity squared, dx. Doon na natin makuha yung x bar. Okay, integral ng x multiplied by pi times 6 minus square root ng 4x quantity squared from 0 to 9. Ganun sa baba, integral ng pi shift pi times 6 minus square root of 4x quantity squared from 0 to 9. Medyo matagal siya. Yan, ang sagot ay 1.8.